Minerva Wahlang, a 22-year-old from Nongmansong, Shillong, has achieved remarkable success. Driven by her childhood aspiration to become a pilot, she has turned her dream into reality through dedication and perseverance. Here is a report.
Earned her commercial pilot license from Chimes Aviation Academy in Madhya Pradesh, a pivotal achievement in her aviation career. With this qualification, she can pursue opportunities with leading airlines, bringing her closer to piloting Boeings and Airbuses. Her journey coincides with India's rapidly growing aviation sector and increasing representation of women.
Definitely, there have been some challenges. It's because I think most importantly was because there was lack of counseling and idea regarding this field. So when I started off, I was completely blank because I not know anybody around me who has already been exposed to this career. So I did not really have any kind of guidance from the people around me. So what I used to do was I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos. There are a lot of pilots who are bloggers as well. So that is how I started learning about about aviation. The representation from the Northeast region is quite less. So what I think most importantly is the counseling. If there could be somebody who could come forward and put some light about this and talk about aviation, about the setbacks, the challenges, and how rewarding this career could be, I feel would be very helpful for the youth.
Reflecting on her accomplishment, she expressed gratitude to God and her parents for their unwavering support. She noted the lack of aviation awareness in Meghalaya as a significant hurdle and credited pilot vloggers for valuable insights. Her parents, Satyendra Kumar Joshi and Mary Stella Wahlang, share their pride in her achievement.
I'm grateful to God, and because of His grace and that He has been there always, we could do it till now, and I feel very proud for my daughter because of her sincerity and her faithfulness towards studies that she wants to be and in the profession that she wants to achieve. For that, I'm very, very proud of her. And of course, I'm proud of my husband. He is the backbone behind all this.
Here, my daughter, she wanted to become commercial pilot, and me, I have guided her the way I wanted, and she has fulfilled her dream. And I'm very happy that she became a commercial pilot. And for that, I was always with her. Wherever she has to go, I used to accompany her. I used to go along with her, and I help her in everything in all her journey. Yes, we were facing a little problem financially, but by the grace of God, somehow till date, we have coped up and we have done our best.
Having completed her schooling in Shillong, Wahlang emphasized the need for better career counseling and mentorship in the Northeast. She noted that very few youth from the region consider aviation because of limited guidance. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.